Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Spoiled Lips Cosmetics Planchette Ouija palette, and this is what that looks like. And I have not used this before. I just got it in recently, so I guess technically this is a first impressions video. I'm going to be doing a little tutorial using that. And this is the mirror right here. It says goodbye and hello. And this is what the palette looks like on the inside. It's really, really cute. Very grungy, very Halloween-y, fall. Super my color story. I absolutely love. And I've never tried any palettes from this brand yet, so I'm intrigued to see if I like their formula. So if you guys are interested in a tutorial, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush. My eyes are primed with my Jeffree Star concealer. I'm going to be taking the shade, this shade. I don't think they have names, but this shade right here, that really nice teal green color, I'm gonna put that all over my crease. I'm just going through and buffing that all in my crease, and it's okay if it's not perfect, we'll clean it up. The pigmentation's really nice so far, and it's blending very nicely, so that's good. It's always a good sign. But yeah, that's what we're looking like so far. I really like the pigmentation of it, and I'm really, pleasantly surprised so far. I'm trying to think of what else I can do with my look. I want something really different. I'm gonna go in with a flat packing brush. I'm gonna take this really, really cute orange shade right here, and I'm kind of going to put that right along where my crease meets my lid and just make like a nice line going on right there. You can see how the orange is still pigmented even though it's over green, which is really good. That's a good sign of good pigmentation. Looking cute. Just patting that nicely so we get a really nice contrast right there. And just repeat that on the other eye. I'm gonna go back in with that green and kind of clean things up a little bit. I want that to be the main focus of the crease. Is that pretty green shade? There we go. Yeah, as you can see, the orange is kind of but I did put it over sort of a darker color, so I can't completely blame the orange shade. But still, I'm going to put this really pretty purple shimmer. Is this a shimmer? No, this isn't a shimmer. Well, I'm going to put this on my lid anyway. This is that really pretty purple shade right here, like the eggplant purple. I'll probably put something over it just to have some type of depth to the lid. Honestly, these shadows aren't performing the best as to what I've, used before in the past. Thunder. But it is nice. It's just not the best formula I've ever tried. I do like the way this looks now that everything is layered. I'm gonna go in with that orange again and try, and I repeat, try to make it a little bit more pigmented. It's looking pretty cute. Let's see what we can do next. I guess I can try one of the glitters. That'd be cute. Let's do the purple glitter to tie in with the purple on the lid. So I'm gonna go and take my glitter adhesive from OMFG Cosmetics. This shit's amazing. Put that over my lid. Just gentle patting motions, no rubbing. That will make a huge mess. Just putting gently over where I stuck that adhesive. That's looking cute. All right. Just be careful with pressed glitters. They are very hard to work with. If you're new with makeup, I suggest not doing it quite yet. So that's cute. I'm feeling it. I like it. It's very Halloween grunge, and I'm definitely feeling that. And let's see what we want to do on the lower lash line. Do I want to stick with this? Yeah. I'm gonna go in with that green again. I'm obsessed. And I just drag that down here. Nice. That is cute. I love it. And inner corner. Oh geez, I don't know if y'all saw that, but that was lightning. Yeah, it's storming real bad here. Holy shit. But I'm okay. It's all good. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful chartreuse lime green color, put that in my inner corner. Let me go ahead and pop that on with the pinky. Looking cute. Nice. Awesome. I really want that orange to show up. I'm gonna go ahead and try something. This is from Makeup a Murder Cosmetics. They have really cute like poison vials of like loose pigments, and I got the pastel pigment ones for my birthday from my best friend. So I haven't tried this. This is like a peach. I'm trying to see if maybe if I layer that over top of the eyeshadow, the orange shadow, it'll be a little bit more pigmented, because I do want that orange to kind of shine through a little bit. But I know it is next to a, you know, another secondary color, which is kind of difficult to go and do that. I have never used like a loose pigment, so I don't know how well this is going to go. Yeah. Please wish me luck. It's a nice glow. It's a nice orange glow. That's what we're going to go with. It was a little bit better, but we shall see what the final result looks like. I do really think this palette's super cute. Kind of want to highlight my brow bone a little bit. Going with this white color. It's really pretty sheen to it. That's cute. I look like a crazy person without all my lashes and all that stuff, but I will be back with the rest of my stuff on: lashes, lips, mascara, all that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the final look. What does everyone think of the way this turned out? I think this turned out super cute, super fun, super unique, very grungy, Halloween-y, super perfect for this palette, and I'm honestly obsessed. For my thoughts on this palette, I think that the formula is okay. I rate it about, like, 10 being the best, I would rate it about like a 6 or 7, only because it's kind of there's some parts that are a little bit patchy as far as the mattes goes. I honestly, it kind of sucks that there was like barely any shimmers. I mean, this top row is shimmers, but I wish there was a little bit more in the palette. The pressed glitter was actually pretty easy to work with, so I was very pleasantly surprised about that. I don't have a lot of experience with the pressed glitter thing, so that made my life a whole lot simpler. I actually used the little highlight at the bottom of this palette, and it is really cute. I'm enjoying it. And for the rest of my look, I use my Ardell Wispy lashes. For my lips, I use the LA Splash Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Runic. I thought that looked super cute with this eye look that I did, and just incorporated all like the really fun, like, spooky colors that I absolutely adore. For my waterline, I use the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in the shade Gotcha. Play with the green tones in this look a little bit. And I also wanted to add something a little bit extra. So in the inner part of the bottom lash line, I did put in the Stila Cosmetics Enigma little liquid eyeshadow, just to play with that purple on my lid a little bit. And I think that, you know, drew everything together completely perfectly. I am so happy how this turned out. It looks really cute. It's very fun. It's very festive. And yeah, I would wear this all year round. I don't care whether it's Halloween or not. But yeah, I do want to definitely dabble with this palette a little bit more before I give like my final thoughts on just everything, and just play with more shades. But overall, I think the palette is pretty good. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and hope you enjoyed me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.